Okay, we all have projects that have multiple steps. We all have kids that might know some of the steps and some kids that need to be reacquainted with some of the things. And then there's some kids that some of the steps are going to be brand new to. And then there's going to be kids who are like way up here, and then they might need some additional things beyond what you're trying to teach the majority of the kids. Well, this is a way to introduce something to all of them and make them all happy. Okay, so let's pretend I need to make a spreadsheet, and because next week I'm going to teach third graders how to make a snowflake. Okay, some of them have already made them, some of them have never made them, some of them make gorgeous ones, some of them just, they've never even heard of making a snowflake. So this is going to help all of them. On column B is going to be your basic steps. I'm going to say fold paper, okay, and then cut into square, and then fold in half, and then cut diamonds out. Okay, please realize I do better than this when I'm really teaching. Now, let's say it's only 4 steps. However many steps you have, just come down and fill in column A with however many you need. And I'm going to go insert. And this is really, really cool. You can add check boxes. If you've never added check boxes, it's really hot. Kids love to check boxes. Okay, it's way too fun. Now, let's put our thinking caps on. This is a Screencastify little workshop. What are we going to put in column C? Anybody? Column C is going to be our links to our Screencastify videos on how to do each step. So my Screencastify video on how to fold the paper properly is going to go here. I know this isn't going to be a link to that, but I'm just going to bring in a link. Okay. How to cut it into the square is going to go there. How to fold it in half, how to cut the diamonds out, how to clean up after yourself. All those things, how to progress on to doing a 3D snowflake for those who get to that part. So, and then this is something that each kid is going to get their own copy of. Okay, they're not all working from this. You're going to share it in a way on Google Classroom where they're going to get their very own copy. And it's great.